Hello and welcome. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can easily edit, compile or decompile Android files on your Windows, Mac or Linux system. Currently I am using MX Linux, but if you are using Mac or Windows you can also install this tool because this is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. It's called APK tool. With this APK tool you can easily decompile Android files and then you can make changes. After making your changes you can easily compile these files again. So if you want to learn Android app development or you just want to make some changes to your applications, it is very simple and easy. First of all, we need Java 1.8 installed on our system as our requirement. So if I use this command, I'm using MX Linux. So I can simply open terminal by pressing Ctrl Shift T, and if I type this command, I can see I have Java version 11.07. So I don't need to worry about this. Let's clear this one. Next, we need to install APK tools. You can read all these guides here. It's very simple and easy. If you are using Ubuntu, MX Linux or Linux Mint, it's very simple and easy to use a command to install APK tools, or otherwise you can download these two files. We have Linux wrapper script and then we have APK tool too. You can find the newest file here and you can read these instructions. So let's run sudo apt update command, and then to install APK tool you just need to run this command sudo apt install APK tool. I have already installed this one on my system. As you can see, APK tool is already the newest version. Now if I run APK tool command, here you can see we have all these different commands. So you can use all these commands. We have this force delete this destination directory, then we have output and some other commands. You just need to use APK tool command. So let's clear our screen, and now we need to decompile some applications. Here you can see on my desktop I have this application. It's called NCleaner. So let's decompile this application. I am already on desktop. So if you are on main folder, you will have to go to desktop. You can simply type cd desktop. Control Alt T, and now you can just type this one to go to desktop because I have these files on my desktop. Now type APK tool D for to decompile. You just need to use this command. Hit enter. And now if I go to desktop, you can see we have this NCleaner directory. I can open this directory. I can see all assets, original, smally, unknown and other files. Now after making your changes, you can recompile this file. Let's make a simple change. Save our changes. Go back to terminal. Now we need to use APK tool, build, then our file name is NCleaner. Go for output directory and our new file name. Now hit enter. Now we can see this built APK message. Go to desktop, and here we have our new app. So this is how you can easily compile, decompile or edit Android applications on your Windows, Mac or Linux system. Thank you very much for watching this video.